Hi, today I'm for the Nokia G22 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while the home screen with our finger, then tap to the widgets icon. After that you'll see here all of the available applications, which and how many widgets they have. So just to add the widget, you should just hold it for a while and drag it to your home screen. To move widget here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you want to resize the widget, we should just hold it for a while, and after that we could make it bigger or smaller. To remove the widget from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.